You see, I put all the things in one, okay, just for speed up the things, okay. So I have flat sequence, formula node, case structures, and event structure, and the global variable, local variable, etc. etc. Okay. So this is a block diagram. It looks like, okay. So when I will run this, the everything will start occurring. Yes, you see here, I start now. Okay. So here case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 is happening. Okay. Case 1, case 2, case 3 is happening. Okay. One by one. Okay. Not like all together. When this happens, then it goes to the next thing, then it goes to the next thing. Okay. And this is a formula node. Okay. So I change x and y, I get the Z as output. Okay. And I have this different case structure here. You see, this is a case structure for true false. This is for numbers. This is for case 3, 2, 1, and this true false is here. Okay. So if I do this, the true case will run. Okay. So if you see false, I use the local variable here. Okay. So if I press false, it will become the false. It is false. Okay. So now if I change the number, okay, 1, 2, 3. So this value is changing now. You see there are different cases I define. Okay. Now 0 is default, right? So I will go like I make 5. It is not sure. Okay. And now I use enum here. Okay. So enum is here. So 1, case 1, case 3, case 3. Okay. So this way you can have different structure in your file. Okay. Now this event structure. So I was mentioning you that I designed event which is used for, like you see, there is a timeout which does nothing, okay, and there is a one mouse enter, then make this value to on, okay. When mouse leaves, make it off, okay. So you see, uh, now this is mouse, okay. When it enters on, it goes off, okay. So this is how you take user inputs and you program it in your event structure. Okay. So and here you see I have some error on this block diagram, but I put a disable structure here, and this VI is still running, no error. Okay, because I put it inside this disable structure. And this is see this is global variable. Okay. This is global variable, and if I want to show its front panel is here. Okay, global variable is here. If I say true now, the program will stop. Okay, here, but here I make it stop, then this will also become stop now. This case is running. So when it finishes, it finishes. Okay. So you see, when I click here, this PI also showed a different value. This is called global variables. I mean, you can change the values of different VIs also. Okay. So this is what all the structures looks like. Okay. Okay. And you see, I define the global variable. It is like VI here. Okay. So when I open this VI, it is only front panel, no block diagram. Okay. Only front panel.